Hello everyone, how are you all? Good? Okay. Today Yatrishika ma'am has come with some different types of things not which is not included within your syllabus. Okay? So we will study about some of the facts which are very much interesting, and these are the science facts. You will be amazed by it. Okay? Now, before going to the thing, let us see what Swiflearn is. As you already know by now, that Swiflearn is the India's most sincere learning destination where all the classes are 100% live and interactive classes. Secondly, we give personalized attention to each and every student because batches consist of 6 students maximum. Okay. Thirdly, we have a good academic mentor team who continuously track and work on the students' progress, how you are doing in the class and homework. It will go to you all the feedback, and accordingly you can improve, and we cover the syllabus as per your school examination schedule. Now let us move on to the key features of Swiflearn. First of all, we maintain the detailed progress report, and accordingly we send it to you in certain interval. There will be PTM also, and you will come to know a lot of thing over here. If you have any discussion, any confusion, you can ask us. We are always there to solve everything, right? Coming to the second thing, we have the sad, that is that happens in every Sunday. You can perform over there and you will be able to understand what is your rank all over India. And thirdly, we have the unlimited practice test. That is very important because you already know practice makes a man perfect. So after completing every topic, you can practice the question answer, and of your concepts will be totally clear, right? So do take all this practice test, and the subjective test also are there, which will help you to increase your marks in the school exam as well as the board exam. So do not forget to book a free trial class. All the trial classes are going on. Book it and experience all these features. So those who have not subscribed till now, please subscribe our channel on YouTube, and please press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the update of the upcoming sessions. So stay with us and learn with us, and please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Chalo. So let us see what we will study today. We will study about some of the scientific facts that will amaze you. Okay, so these facts are generally not present in your book. So we will study all this thing, not study. Basically, we will come to know about all these things. I hope that all of you are ready with it. Yes. Do you have a pen and notebook so that you can also note it down? Right. Okay, chalo. Let us start with a snake. Do you like snake? Yes. Do you know what is the study of the snake and the reptiles, other amphibians, are known as herpetology? Okay. So the snakes are the carnivores. You already know they only eat the animals. They do not eat the plants. Okay. And most of the species of snakes are present in the tropical region. Okay. The tropical rainforest, a large different species of snakes you will find, and definitely they are also present in the desert area. Okay, the poisonous snakes are also there in the water. Okay, now let me tell you one interesting fact of the snake, that is their heart can move around all over their entire body. Can you imagine? Do our heart also move around our body? No, no. Yes. Okay. Coming to the second fact, that is the pistol star. Have you ever heard of it? It is the most luminous and the brightest star in our galaxy. Okay, it is present in the Milky Way galaxy only, and it is 10 million times brighter than that of the sun. Can you imagine? Yes. So the star gets the name from the Pistil Nebula, which is present in the Sagittarius constellation. Okay. And this is about like 25,000 light years away from Earth. So you already have an idea what is the light year, right? Yes. So this is all about the piston star. Let us now come back to our body. You already know that we have the three pairs of salivary glands in both the two sides, and this salivary gland used to secrete the saliva. Now, do you know that the saliva contain the natural painkiller which is known as the opiorphin? Yeah, you have already heard about the morphine, I guess, right? Whenever we get any headache or any sort of pain in the part of our body, we generally take the morphine, okay, as a medicine. But these have a lot of different type of side effects, like the patients who are having any heart related diseases, they are not at all advised to take the morphine. But opiorphin is already having the 6 time more powerful 6 times more power than that of the morphine, and it is secreted in our saliva only. Yes, this opiorphin is also acts as the antidepressant and anti-panic action. So nowadays the scientists are doing a lot of research work and they are trying to replace this morphine, rather than they are uh, taking care of the opiorphin, and they are studying about how this can be used for the different medical benefit. Yeah, chalo. Now let's move on to the earth. Have you ever thought that the earth, if it suddenly stops, what will happen to that? You already know it is spinning right over here, like the rotation takes place, and it is moving with the help of an inertia is always present over there, right? If it suddenly stops, there will be a huge jerk, and this jerk will be sideways at a speed of 1600 kilometer per hour, which will include also the ocean water. Yes, it will be a massacre, right? Now, let us go to the infants. Yeah. So, have you ever heard the cry of the newborn babies? Have you ever observed that the tears do not come out in the first few weeks of the crying of the babies? Yes, do you know why? Because that tear ducts are not that much developed so that the tear will come out. We can only hear the sound of the cry, but we can see till 4 to 12 weeks after birth the babies are crying but the tear is not coming out. Isn't it amazing? Yes. Now, let's move on to the blood transfusion. You already know, if you have any sort of accident, then blood is needed. So, first it is checked whether the blood group is similar or not, and then the blood transfer is happening from the donor to the recipient. Now, what about the blood transfusion in dog? Yes, do you know that? The first successful blood transfusion ever happened was in the two dogs, okay, between the two dogs in the year 1660. Isn't it very interesting? Yes. Okay, now let's move on to again the reptiles. Okay, so turtle, as you already know, it comes under the class reptile or reptilia, and they are present from the very old age when we can also say the age of the dinosaur. So the unique and rough shell which is present on their uh, just above their body, that is the external skeleton. Okay, so they tend to stay under the water like 4 to 7 hours. Now one specific thing which is there in their body which is not in our body, that is they already have an compass. We can say the inbuilt compass within their body which help them to navigate within the ocean. Do we have the compass within our body or that type of thing which will help us to direct our uh, like way, like the north, which one is north, which one is south, which one is east, and which one is west? Yes, we cannot understand, but the turtles can understand when they go or navigate under the ocean. Yes, okay. Now let's move on to the last fact, that is the Eiffel Tower. Have you ever heard from anywhere that the Eiffel Tower can be measured to 15 centimeter more during the summertime, but it is a little bit lesser, like 15 centimeter lesser during the winter time? Do you know why or how? Yes, this happens because of the very common phenomena, that is the movement of the particles. The particles of the substance move more in the larger space during the summer, and that is why it seems to be a little bit taller. But in case of the winter season, when the temperature reduces, what will happen? The contraction of the particles will take place, and it will see we can see that the Eiffel Tower is a little bit shorter. Isn't it amazing? Yes. So these are some of the facts I have already shared with you. So thank you for being with me and listening to all the facts. I think you can also share this with your friend and family members, right? Okay. So do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the update of Swiflearn classes. And please do not forget to like, comment and share. Bye bye. We will again meet. Bye.